Fixing zippers isn't as hard as you think. Yes, I said it. What you need is the right technique and tool, and that's what I will be showing you in this video. Hey guys, in this video I show you how to attach a zipper to a garment in the easiest way using the right technique and tool. So here is the garment I want to attach a zipper to, and this is the back of the garment. So I have my garment inside out, as you can see, and the first thing I will be doing is folding and ironing my zipper allowance so that I can get a clear crease. So I measure my zipper allowance like this, fold it. As you can see, I am folding the right side over the wrong side. Then I spray some water on the fold and press it down with an iron, and I will do so till I have the whole length pressed down. Okay, now I have the zipper allowance pressed down on both sides, as you can see, and the next thing will be to pin my zipper to the allowance. Now you want the metal stopper on the zipper to be about 1/4 below the fabric, and then pin it down. Another thing is ensuring that each teeth of the zipper aligns well with the crease that I have created, and I will do that till the zipper is fully pinned to the allowance on both sides. Please, as you are pinning, make sure the pin only catches the zipper and zipper allowance. Avoid pinning the main fabric to the zipper allowance, please. So now I am done pinning the two zipper teeth to the sewing allowance, and it's time to go to the sewing machine. So at this point, this double-sided zipper foot is the most effective tool to get the job done. Although you can fix the zipper with the normal sewing foot, but honestly it's a lot more easier to use a zipper foot to install the zipper, and I am all for sewing with ease every time possible. Anyway, I will now remove the regular sewing foot from my sewing machine and then replace it with the zipper foot like so. Making sure that I push the needle slot closely to the teeth of the zipper like so, and now it is time to sew the zipper. Can you see how easy this is? No stress at all. Can you see how smooth the process is? See how close the needle is to the teeth, and it still sews without a hassle. So as I near the slider end of the zipper, it becomes difficult to sew through. So I raise the needle, pull my fabric out, and then slide up. Out of the way of the needle, return the fabric back to the needle and continue sewing. So I'm done fixing one side of the zipper, and it's time to sew the other side too. All I need to do now is move the needle slot on the zipper foot so that I can sew close to the zipper tip, and I will go ahead to sew. Now once I get to the end of the zipper, I pulled the fabric out because the needle won't be able to go through anymore. I then flip the zipper so that I can now sew from the bottom all the way up. So I'm done fixing the zipper now, and here is what it looks like. Please guys, do not hesitate to drop your questions for me in the comment section if you have any, and I will definitely respond to it as soon as I can. And please like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified as soon as new videos drop. Alright guys, till the next time you'll be hearing from me, be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and have yourself some fabulous time.